6 feet of raw power.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall and is for the WWE Women's United States Championship. Making her way to the ring from Rio Grande Valley, Texas, Raquel.
Raquel seems to always wear a big smile and just loves to perform for the crowd.
Yeah, but if you get on her bad side and that smile vanishes, you are faced with an angry woman with muscles for days. Here comes the heart of Chase U.
And from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Thea.
One of the most impressive and maybe a bit overzealous students to come out of Chase University.
But Thea Hale is dead set on proving that she is a grown woman who can get things done on her own.
A little off topic here, but with the new year, Corey, have you made any resolutions?
Me? Are you serious? I'm already perfect the way I am, Cole. But I sure as heck hope that Saxton made a resolution to be slightly less annoying.
You can see it in the eyes of each individual. Only razor-sharp focus when this much is on the line. That's the bell, and as you can see, Thea Hale is ready to make a statement here tonight. Not the most experienced member of the roster, but she's getting better with each match, with every bit of adversity thrown her way. She's looking to be the next big thing here in WWE. The opportunity to prove herself is hers for the taking tonight could be that pivotal moment.
And let's hope she's ready to face off against the physically dominant Raquel Rodriguez.
I don't know how anyone can prepare for her, Saxton. Raquel has proven that not only is she one of the strongest superstars on the women's roster, but she's also one of the most malicious. Oh, clubbing blow. Hale able to counter. Oh, that hurt right to the kidney. Golly. Oh, sit-out slam. Drop kick right on point. Goes under the ropes to get back inside.
Good defense.
Placing them right where they want them, into the corner.
Looking for a scoop slam. No, it slips behind. Inverted DDT.
Senton connects. Escapes in a nick of. Look at this! Suicide dive!
Took a massive risk, but it might have paid off.
Raquel Rodriguez cuts an imposing figure. That has to be weighing on her opponent's mind here tonight, wouldn't you say, Corey? Cole, if you start worrying about that, then Raquel has you beat before she even steps in the ring. You can't let yourself be intimidated by her physically or mentally. All the leverage in this match is slipping away from Rodriguez. Wow, this woman is not intimidated by Raquel in the slightest. She needs to get back in. And now gets tossed into the ring.
That dodge can buy Raquel time.
And she's stunned in the corner. Right in the jaw.
Ugh, what a shot.
She's forced onto the defensive now.
This is how Rodriguez is going to make her presence felt throughout the match. Hard to grab or apply a proper hold after a move like that.
Stomp to the leg. Working on the leg. Well-timed counter on Rodriguez. Oh my God, he's got him in. Running arm breaker. Here's a pin for the title. She overcomes the pinfall attempt.
Getting that shoulder up seemed to be pretty easy.
Able to reverse. She's got an answer for that. Series of elbows looking to create separation. She does so.
Sent into the corner.
And that was for the title. Shoulder up and the referee ends the count. She's still in this one.
Ooh, well measured. Got the leg.
Well-placed elbow to the leg.
Right to the leg.
And targeting the leg there. Oh, submission, the gore. Looks like she has other plans here.
I think she was just looking to soften her up a little there.
We all know what she's looking to do next. Flying. She certainly took a chance there. High risk with no reward. Power slam. Goes into the pin. There's two. She was close to the end there.
No celebrations yet.
Hoisted over into the gory special. Could be looking for a submission here.
Oh, this is so painful.
The gory. And she releases the hold as she feels that enough damage has been done. Should have kept on wrenching. Why show mercy now? Oh, nothing fancy there. And Raquel's keeping the pressure on. Any of Thea Hale's defenses have been pegged.
She saw it coming.
Quick exchange, reversing the reversal.
Momentum isn't completely out of Hale's side just yet.
Yeah, Thea's survival instincts are taking over. Highly spirited attack from Thea Hale.
She is never short on intensity and determination.
Now a pin for the championship. Shoulders up before two. Wow.
They're stomping away.
This has become a monumental clash. There are no breaks on these competitors. The Kimura lock applied. Will they tap? I don't know what choice she has except to tap out here. She's going to have to tap. Look at this. She releases the hold.
That's a little surprising, no?
Springboard misses the target. Look at the power of Raquel Rodriguez. Has her opponent up and good Lord, what a slam. Cover. Two. We have a brand new champion fulfilling their destiny.
Here is your winner, and new WWE Women's United States Champion, Raquel Rodriguez.
What a shift into the tides with this championship match. She was totally focused on getting the gold tonight, and she's done just that.